In fact, former Union Minister Maneka Gandhi is joining us now on the broadcast as well. Maneka Gandhi, thank you for speaking with us on NewsX. Your first comment to the Chief Justice of India's fresh observations today.
What is fresh observations? I'm not aware of them.
The CJI, ma'am, I don't know if the team has briefed you or not, but the CJI has come out and said that he will look into the Supreme Court's order on the relocation of stray dogs. Today, of course, a fresh plea was mentioned before Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai.
That's wonderful. The program has, the judgment has to be redone. It was made in haste, without any scientific evidence, without listening to any of the parties. It has destroyed the rule of law and order regarding these dogs. It has created panic all over the city, and with other states jumping into it, it will create panic all over India. This, one person cannot destroy the essentially compassionate fabric of India and create, what we call in Hindi, gadar, for no reason. There are many, many ways to solve this problem, many ways. And these are tried and tested ways. I would suggest that these be looked into.
Yes, Maneka Gandhi ji, as far as this, this order is concerned, now, of course, the CJI is saying that he will look into this because so far the bench was pretty adamant. In fact, they had ordered, action to be taken against those who protest the move and said no fresh pleas will be entertained. We have to now wait and watch how the CJI takes forward this matter. But do you believe this is a practical or an extremely impractical order by the Apex Court?
It's not only impractical, it is insensate. It doesn't make any sense at all. And, we expect our Supreme Court judges to give judgments after listening to the scientific evidence presented by both sides. We expect them to create a path towards a reasonable solution that makes everybody happy. That is what we expect. We certainly don't expect an angry, lash out which says things that are not possible to do.
Yes. Now that the Chief Justice of India has said that he will look into this, what would be your appeal? What would you urge the CJI?
I would urge that he looks at the science of it. What do we want? Everybody in India wants the same thing. There are no two sides to this. We want less dogs. We want less bites or no bites. And we want animals to live happily with people. If these are three aims, it's very easy to reach there. To give you one example, the WHO actually started this program for India 30 years ago. And they said that sterilization was the only way to reduce the population. In 30 years, the government has not put even 1 rupee into the program. It comes under the Animal Welfare Board of India, which are 3 pathetic people at the director level. The money is given by the Urban Development Ministry, which leaves it to each municipality and Nagar Palika to do it. So if they don't have money, they don't do it. The Health Ministry has nothing, no stake in it at all, even though this is a health program. So if you keep dividing it up, you will get nowhere. The NCD in Delhi, to be specific, has run the shoddiest ABC program perhaps in the universe. They have made 20 ABC centers. They gave them out to retiring NCD officials and relatives and friends and proceeded then to fudge figures for 25 years. In spite of all our protests and evidence given to them, which was massive with photographs, the centers are all 9th rate with no drainage, falling roofs, absolutely no amenities that befit a hospital. After all, this is a hospital. So as a result, and what was worse is that these centers were money-making enterprises. They would do 3 sterilizations and write it down in the books as 30. So sterilization then became, a joke. But even worse than that, these centers became hubs of corruption in the sense that they would not put dogs back in the exact place which WHO had recommended again and again. They would then pick these dogs up from rich colonies and just put them into poor colonies. So where are the bites coming from? Where are the children affected? Where are people most scared? It's middle class, lower middle class, and the slum areas. Because this is where the NCD and the rich RWAs keep throwing the dogs. Till 6 years ago, none of this relocation existed. In 6 years, it has become an epidemic. If we could get the NCD centers made into A-grade centers, which can happen in 2 months, if we can get monitoring committees to see that they don't cheat, if we get relocation stopped, your bites will stop.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.